my name is Susan, and I am a graphic designer. I started my career as a freelance graphic designer, but now I am running my own business.
But my daily routine still remains the same.
Coffee? Check. Email? Check. R&D? On it. Sample? Check. Design proof? Check. Send proof? Check. 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 Finally confirmed. Most freelance designers will have a hard time finding a reliable print shop. My job gets easier from here. I log into aladdinprint.com and click, 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 and my work is done. And yes, it is that simple. Plus, all the print material will be shipped within 5 business days. Wait, did I mention free shipping? If you are looking for a print shop or outsourcing your work, I highly recommend Aladdin Print. It is just a click away.